Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to allow and how to prevent a clock application to show banner notifications in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we need to scroll down a bit to notifications and quick settings menu. Then we need to tap the banner option, and here we have our options. So first of all, we need to enable the switch at the top to show banner notifications. Now we are looking for the clock app, which is here. As you can see, by default it's on. So we can turn it off using the switch, or we can turn it back on. These are pretty much on or off switches, and other applications that are blocked will be down on the list. And that's all.